Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Shopify plan allows third-party payment gateways and you have store admin rights. Create and verify your Yoco merchant account so Yoco issues API credentials. These are required to authenticate transactions. Once done, copy the Yoco API key and secret to a secure place and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect keys. This reduces chargeback risks and secures customer data while you continue with integration steps. You now configure the connection inside Shopify, install the Yoco app or add a custom gateway using the admin payment settings. Enter the Yoco API key, secret, and the callback URL that Yoco will use to notify your store about payment status. This ensures order state stays synchronized. Then set webhooks for payment, updated and payment. Failed events, match your store currency and tax rules to Yoco's account, and switch to sandbox mode so you can place test orders without moving real funds. You finish by switching off test mode and performing one low-value live transaction to confirm funds route to Yoco and settlements appear in the dashboard. Once done, reconcile the order in Shopify with the payout record in Yoco to ensure amounts and fees match. If things go wrong, check API keys and webhook URLs first, confirm SSL and correct server timestamps, and validate signature headers. These common issues cause failed callbacks and prevent the order from updating automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.